At first light, the forest awakens. Golden rays slip through the branches, scattering the night silence. Mist rises from the forest floor, carrying the breath of the earth. Every leaf shivers, every shadow moves. Then, a sound. The flutter of wings, a call in the distance. The forest comes alive, and our journey into the secret lives of birds begins. The canary wakes, finds its meal, and vanishes into the forest. The cardinal stretches, finds its food, and bursts into the green morning sky.
The crow calls, feeds, and disappears into the fog.
The falcon dives like a spear, strikes, and owns the sky once more. The nightingale sings, seizes its prey, and vanishes into the morning mist. The owl watches, strikes in silence, and melts back into the dark.
The pelican strikes, lifts its catch, and glides across the water.
The swallows dance, skim the water, and vanish into the rising mist.
The woodpecker hammers, finds its meal, and disappears among the trees. As night falls, the forest grows quiet. The story of the birds is complete.